Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to calculate GST on multiple GST rates in Excel. So let's start. Here you can see I have data, item list with the amount and GST rate. So here I'm going to calculate first GST amount. I select the cell and type here GST amount. So I just type here GST amount, then select the cell is equal to, select the amount, add here the asterisk sign, then select the GST percentage. Press the enter and select the cell, double click on this corner point, and here you can see in below cell, fill the GST amount. Now I'm here calculate the total amount. So I type here the total amount and select the cell is equal to, select the sales amount plus GST amount and press the enter, and here you can see the total amount. Then just double click on this corner point and here you can see the total amount is calculated. If this total item in one invoice, then let's see the final summary of the invoice. Okay, so here for final summary is total amount, first type here. So here the total amount is the first sales amount of every product. Okay, so here I use the sum function. You can press here alt is equal to select the sum function automatically, then press the enter, and total amount here 1,50,000. Okay, then you can type here 1,50,000, and GST amount same as, select the sale and press here the shortcut key alt is equal to and press the enter, 33,410. So here in total GST type 33,410. So final invoice amount, select the sale is equal to, select the taxable value and plus GST amount. And here you see your final invoice amount is 1,83,410. Okay. So this is a way you can calculate the GST on multiple GST rate in Excel. Hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.